Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a beautiful day. I want to thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate you. We're going to do a quick energy check for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Find out whatever it is you need to know for your highest good. Okay. What does Libra need to know? Sorry, hold on a sec. You got quite a few cards out. Okay, let's see. It looks like you might be thinking about a past situation. A past situation where you really tried to work through some kind of issue where it almost seems like you could see the potential of someone, but they didn't see it in themselves. And they didn't want to work towards living up to that potential. And it's made you kind of cautious when it comes to getting into a new connection. Which, that's good. Falling in love with potential is generally disappointing. All right. What else do you need to know? What else does Libra need to know here? Okay. So it does look like you are going to have a new opportunity coming in, or it may have already come in. That could be why you're thinking about the past. You're being guided to trust your intuition. Don't overthink things. Give it a try if it feels like it flows easily. But if you get in your head, you could definitely complicate things. And you don't want to take forever necessarily with making a decision either, because that will make you kind of come off as really unstable. Okay. There may be something about this new opportunity that you feel like people are going to judge you about as well. I'm not sure. But like you feel like it's going to make people talk about it. That they're going to feel like it's maybe out of character, out of the norm, maybe a bit taboo. I have no idea. All right. Your advice: receive, create, and lighten up. You're being asked to be open to receiving gifts from the universe. This is an opportunity to express yourself in a bigger way. So have fun. Give it a try. If it has already come into your life, if it hasn't, see. You don't know. You have more guidelines to go off of, though, to help your discernment be a lot more manageable. So just trust yourself, but don't close yourself off completely. There are certain things that maybe, yes, you do want to close yourself off to completely, but not everything. All right, you got this. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for being with me. Love you guys. Bye-bye.